All right, 390 Wagon Master here. Today we've got another patented Wagon Master unboxing. I've got the blue tape on there to protect me from the innocents, and we are good to go. So I've been looking for one of these for several years now. I was on eBay about 10 days ago, and I found two items that I just had to have. Anyway, I got my old rife knife, still with a dull blade. I know there's sharp ones in here. I just haven't done that yet. I don't know. I milk blades until they're just so dull they're actually deadly. As you guys may or may not know, one of my favorite meters is the Drake W4, and I really like that watt meter a lot. Probably one of my favorite go-to meters. Not really a huge bird guy. I use my bird meter mostly, honestly, for theatrics, really. I don't like the way the slugs differ. They're not perfect, but there we go. There's some interesting looking coax. It almost looks fake. What the heck is that? That is Saxton 8286 RG8. I've never played with that stuff before. Anyway, so I've been looking for one of these for a while, actually quite a few years, and most of them I see are in pretty bad shape. And I'm somewhat familiar. Another piece of coax. This is, I don't know, just some no-name. Oh, dude, I got me a good angle connector. These are the way to go. These old school angle connectors are my favorites. I don't like the new ones you get off. Oh, I've got two of. Oh, I've got three of them. I don't like the garbage ones you get off Amazon. I've had a bunch of those go bad, so this right here was almost worth what I paid for this item that you haven't yet seen. The watt meter of my dreams. Doesn't take much for me. Okay, so any of you guys that know what that is, you'll instantly know what this thing is. But because I'm such a fan of the W4, I wanted something with a little bit better. Well, this isn't too bad. Yeah, I knew that. So when the lady took pictures of this, it looked like somebody wiped it off with a rag and it left a lot of terry cloth or something debris on there. But I took a chance. Sometimes you get a good feeling. This is the Drake WH7, and this is a really super nice meter. This doesn't have a PEP kit in it. This is just RMS reading. You get forward and then SWR, forward and reflect. And we have a 20 watt scale. And let me try to zoom in here a little bit. And I want to show you why this is the meter that I've been looking for. Come on. I think that's it. Okay. As we can see here, sorry about the lighting. As we can see here on the bottom scale, we've got our SWRs. On the second scale up, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 10, and 20. This was the reason why I wanted this meter, was because of this 20 watt scale and the way it's broken up. We've got this 250 milliwatts, 550 milliwatts, 750, and then 1 watt, a watt and a half, 2, 2.5, 3, and so on. And the reason I use my Royce for like low powered devices, like checking walkie-talkies or radios, 5, 6 watts and under, which works really nice, but I'm tired of taking it out of line. So I wanted a meter now with a little bit more defined scale. So this is why I want this over the bird. And then another thing that I wanted was an RMS reading scale somewhere that gave me some space here between the 6 and, 6, 10, 15 watt scale. So check these older sideband radios that typically hang out around this 6 to 8 watts range. So that's what I'm looking for. I don't need a 2,000 watt scale. I'll never see that where I'm living at here, that's for sure. Unless that amplifier lives on the dummy load. And then the second one was the 200 watt scale for these smaller 2-pill amps that I tend to usually deal with. So anyway, the watt meter of my dreams. The lady did a great job packing it, I think. And I'm also very happy with her shipping. Now, her description, in my opinion, was perfect. And let's see, this has the tag on it. Another reason why I wanted this. Somebody did not take the Drake control tag off of it. And this was produced September 7th of 1978. So, let's see, I was 15 years old in 78. And this is 7 days before my birthday. So there you go. Pretty cool. That really means nothing, but I like seeing the products with the control tags on. This did not look to have been taken off. And this is the little remote pickup box. So that's good. I'm glad I have another Drake meter. My W4 is going to go back in my truck. I run my Drake W4 actually in my truck. I use that to monitor that system in the Sequoia. So anyway, yeah, I'm very happy with this. Very, very cool. Yeah, that's a knob. Okay, it looks like a push button, doesn't it? Anyway. So anyway, I don't want to drive up the prices of these W7s, but this is a dang good meter. Doesn't look like I'm going to have to do too much work to it. The factory paint is a little scuffed, but that's all right. The face is good, and the meter is not cracked. So I'm pretty happy about that. So anyway, there we go. The Drake WH7. You'll be seeing this being used in more upcoming videos. So anyway, good stuff. All right, you guys, please leave questions or comments below, and thanks for watching.